May asawang mabait, nanguha ng washing. Close your jacket, Jenny.
Mommy?
Kumusta ang everybody? Nag-antay kami ng taxi ng mga bata dahil late kami today. At sobrang lamig din. At saka hinihingal ako. Huy, nagmahal na yung plite. Pamasahe, 7 pound na. Dati 6 lang yon. Sobrang mahal ng pamasahe. Uy, tapos sobrang lapit lang naman. Dali, Jessica. Si JJ today, hindi siya naka-uniform. Kaya nakaganyan yan siya. Nagliging-ligings pa, uy. Asa na kaya yung ating taxi na?
Where are we in your phone?
It's here.
No, here?
Yeah, right here.
And the car? The car is... Wait, show me the car. And you look for the
Okay.
car. And the
Ang lahat ng dahon ba pumunta dito, oh?
And the AO
Sa amin?
So, Mommy,
The what?
the AO is us? Yeah. Oh.
Kunin ko lang itong... Yeah, you have
My
pink shoes.
shoes is so
Asa na kaya yung
sparkly.
taxi?
My shoes is
Kanina
so
pa kami nag-book. Malapit na mag 8:50. Ayop, hindi kami malate nito ng mga bata. Asa na kaya ito siya? Nandito na siya. Malapit na siya dito sa Alicia Way. Ang taxi na po.
I hurt my butt.
Be careful lang.
Let's try it again. Okay. I've done it! Yeah, how you done it? That's not how you do it. There you go!
Lalaro na sila, oh.
Yeah, and then run faster than jump.
Nabuang. Your car has arrived daw. Wala man dito.
I want
Saan man to siya? Nandun siya nag-stop sa Costa Coffee.
done.
Nandito na. Alin na lang. Yeah. Yeah, go in. Go in, please. No, move. You have to move. Morning.
Morning.
Fine, thank you. Okay.
Are you coming back as well or just one way?
Just one way, please.
Mommy, my seatbelt, I'm scared.
Bell?
It's cold today, yeah?
Yeah. It's very cold.
Yes,
That's not mine.
JJ, help your sister, please.
No, do mine first.
That's okay. That's okay.
I'm scared.
You were scared for?
No, my
No,
seatbelt.
that's okay.
Why do I don't need my
Because it's his
seatbelt?
taxi.
Huh? Let's put my seatbelt on now.
Na, hindi siya mag-stop. Hindi natin. Pag nandun to sa Pilipinas, palagi itong mag-require ng seatbelt.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Did you do it?
No.
Animal spirits in the economy. Animal spirits that really should have been lifted by the interest rate. So what's happening now? I mean, do you get
Did you do it?
the impression
No. Help. Help. I'm scared. My seatbelt on. Did they have fun on you?
Quiet, please. Jenny.
Put my seatbelt.
Hey, malapit na tayong madating, oy. It's not doing it, Jenny. It's in the wrong one. Nada, the car beeping now. It's your fault.
No, but I'm scared.
Don't be scared, you're inside. Move, move.
difficult territory where there's a choice
I
of
can't.
growth versus some political
No.
case necessarily stretch, into
You okay?
Brexit as
She's
being
okay.
What happened? You're scared, why?
She's always scared if she don't have
Yeah.
the belt.
Oh, okay, okay. Good girl.
Is the taxi okay without the belt? Or you have to wear the
You have to wear, yeah.
belt? Jenny don't have.
Because of I doing that.
because wearing seatbelt.
Yeah.
It's the same of
And they said, "Oh, you're not from here. You're not from here." Like, no.
we adapt the British way.
Yeah.
Wearing
it is.
seatbelt. It's more safe, really.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. You never know, isn't it? What's
Yeah,
gonna happen.
yeah. Hold Jenny's hands lang. JJ, hold this there. Go. Okay, wait there. Yeah. Hala, sobrang busy nak, no? So busy today lang. Grabe ang tao. Ang bait ng taxi driver today. Hindi siya nabiro. 51 pa pala. Yan yung maganda pag nag-taxi lang. Jenny, bye-bye lang. Jenny. Be careful. Ba, hopefully, oy, makapasa na ako sa aking driving. Dahil ang dali-dali lang pag naka-drive. Sobrang dali lang namin ba. Hindi ka na mapapagod maglakad-lakad. Dito na kami. Si Jessica na-drop na namin.
That you say.
Yes. Sabi niya ang playground daw para sa kids at grown up.
Out to play, kids.
Yes. The playground should be for kids because it's for little ones. Naglalakad kami dito. Yeah. May nagsabi kang
But not for you, Ma.
No?
No.
For who is it? For you only and JJ?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Huh?
It's for kiddos.
May nagsabi sa akin sa comment na magaling daw si Inday magbalerina. Kaso daw, mana daw yung ilong sa akin. Hoy! Okay lang yan. Saan naman talaga magmamana? Sa nanay talaga. Flat nose ang nanay Pilipina ang nanay. Walang big deal doon. Tapos si Jessica kasi nung kabataan niya pa, sobrang flat din ang ilong ni Jessica. Ngayon lang yan siya medyo tumatangos dahil tumutubo. Si Wayne din kasi nung kabataan niya kahit... What is it?
Yeah, I just want to catch the bird.
Oh, you catch the bird? Oh,
But it's gone.
oh, it's gone now. You have to catch it again. You have to look for another bird. Go have a look. Ano, si Jessica, ay si Wayne, kahit pure British yan siya. Pango din yung ilong niya nung kabataan pa. Tumutubo lang daw yung ilong nila pag... Where is it? Oh, it's there. Nag-ano na sila. Yung while they're growing daw, tumutubo. Sabi ko, bakit ang akin hindi talaga tumubo? Alam nyo, yung aking nanay, yung aking tata, yung aking dalawang kapatid, matatangos talaga yung ilong nila do. Tapos magaganda sila at gwapo. Ako lang talaga yung naiba yung itsura. Nagmana ako sa aking kuan.
There's a daddy dog.
Yes. What's big one and little nak? The dog?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's two dogs. Ang ganda ng sunlight today. Oh.
Dog.
Yeah, there's another dog.
And walking in the grass.
Yung buhok ni Inday parang hinulbot lang yan siya kay ayaw nga magpatali. Ano ba yung advice ninyo sa akin na dito kami ni Inday mag-spend ng aming banding. Maganda pa naman yung view. Dito kami dumaan last time, yung sabi nyo na mayroong mga leaves na magaganda tignan dito. Wala to dito dati Pero kami lang ni Jennifer ang always present dito every morning. Gusto niya. Mas gusto ko din dalhin siya dito dahil ayaw ko na sa bahay kami kay palagi yan siya mag-iPad na. Mag-hold day na yan ng iPad. Is wet, you have to push your magic friend?
Yeah.
Where is it? Na. Dito na naman yung magic friend ni Inday Jenny.
This is where he lives.
Where? Is it wet?
Yeah.
Why is wet?
Because it's been raining. Because we was a young time.
Ah, careful. Ay, be careful anak.
I won't fall.
Diyan parang drawing no. Dati ignorante talaga ako diyan sa mga dahon. Gusto ko magpa-picture pero ngayon nasanay na ako. Tapos wala sila, wala pa masyadong. Sabi ni Bayaw is ano daw baka mag-snow. Meron akong i-promote sa inyo ba? Serious kayo ang mukha. Ang aking kapatid is gumagawa siya ng money bouquet. Kung sino yung malapit sa amin or anyone, kung gusto nyo mag-order, pwede nang ipa-ship. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng money bouquet na ginagawa ng aking kapatid. Doon kami nag-peace kahapon dahil pagkita ko sa bouquet, hala, ang ganda nito. Doon naulian ako sa kanyang, sasapot ko sa kanya. Pero okay na kami ngayon. At masaya sila dahil meron din akong hindi ko na kailangan sabihin sa inyo, basta alam na namin yun. Tapos yun nga, very talented siya. Diba nag-start siya ng vlog dati? Ang akin kasing kapatid, parang hindi niya talaga passion yung mag-vlog, hindi niya kahiligan ba, hindi siya kagaya sa akin na parang akong tanga kung saan mag-vlog. Pero ang hilig niya is gumagawa siya ng mga bouquet, any kinds of flowers. So maganda. Nagawa siya ngayon ng 100 na flower, yung ganon, at 50 pieces worth 5,000. Tapos, yung isa na flower bouquet na ginawa niya is pula, 50 bill na mga money, tapos 100 pieces ata yun. Ganon din, bulaklak. So, insert ko dito, kung magustuhan nyo, i-message nyo ako ha, na, Inday, mag-order mi day. Inday, mag-order mi day, kaya may na lang yun, maano akong kapatid. Yan yung pinagkakabisihan niya today, ay for now, kasi wala pa man siya, hindi siya nagtatrabaho, pero yan yung inano niya, kinahiligan niya, at yan yung kanyang maliit na business, pero enjoy na enjoy siya sa kanyang ginagawa. So, yun yung sinabi ko sa kanya, as long as na nag-i-enjoy ka, kasi pangit kasi pag parang mapilit ka lang sa yung ginagawa. Diba dati nga nagbablog siya, pero hindi niya talaga kahiligan yung pag-vlog. Hindi siya kagaya sa akin na ma-excite bitaw ako mag-edit. Siya hindi, ma-excite siya sa result ng kanyang ginagawa na bulaklak. Nak, mauli na. Hala, si Inday. Uy, naunsa naman ni si Inday. Ha? Galit na si Inday. Tired daw siya. Uy, gusto niya magpakarga sa akin, titas. Na si Mommy have baby inside. Dah. Ha? Mukha, oh. Oh, you're so mad to Mommy. Don't be mad. Jenny? Ay, alang, si Mood. Basta galit yun siya kaya hindi ko kargahin. Gusto niya magpakarga. Ang bigat-bigat niya. Tapos, ang aking tiyan lang. Hindi din kami nagdala ng scooter. Kaya nag-taxi, di ba kami?
What do you want? What are you doing?
She's mad.
You're mad?
I'm so crying.
You're crying?
Because I'm mommy crying. I don't want mommy crying me.
You're too big to be carried. You're a big girl now.
But I'm not tired.
We didn't
You're tired.
have scooter and pram today because we went to the taxi. You know what? The fare
Yeah.
is £7.50 now.
Yeah, that's what that guy was complaining the other day. It's gone up.
It's gone up.
Yeah. He's costing £25 to get his car from Clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one is so dramatic. She want to be carried.
You need to be a walker because you're a big girl.
No.
Yes.
No.
And Mummy's pregnant now.
Mommy's pregnant. If I'm not pregnant, I will carry you. You said you love
You're too
little
heavy.
Philomate. Little Philomate will be squeezed.
If you walk home, I'll buy you something special later. I'll give you a treat.
Now what is it?
You want a treat later?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello guys, Jenny is the vlogger. Come on. Come. Come.
Yeah.
Kabisi ng kalibutan si Jenny. Alo, galit na talaga siya sa akin. Dito na kami. Alam nyo, pagod na pagod ako kasi Inday Jenny nagpa-baba. Binaba ko na siya. Ayan o, galit siya sa akin. Asan na yun? Wala kasi akong dala na scooter. That's okay. Na, hindi ko pala nalak ang bahay. Nadating na lang kami. Walang, yes? Okay. Ma-jacket lang ang inyong Inday. Uy, ang happy ko pala. Wala na siya, oh. Natanggal na. Pero nag-stop muna ako ng makeup sa aking mukha. At wala muna ako mga eyeliner kung ano-anong ilalagay sa mata dahil natatakot ako na baka bumalik siya. Pero I hope na hindi dahil ni-laser naman, diba? At wala na yung itim niya. Ayan, oh, natanggal na talaga siya. So, happy ako at maraming salamat sa aking asawa na alam nyo na, pinatanggal niya talaga that time. Tapos, sabi niya, schedule daw. Pinaschedule namin yun. Tapos, kinabukasan, diretso pumunta kami. At nag-book din siya ng kanyang trabaho nun para madala lang ako. Okay na yan. So, magkuha lang pala ako. Hala, uy, magpakat ng tag na naman. Hindi talaga to siya mabubuhay pag mayroong... Ayaw niya, pag mayroong mga tag yung kanyang... Ayan, oh, yung damit. Ito ata yung nakita ng iba na kinat ko. Sabi nila nagnanapi pa si Jenny. Hindi na naman nagnanapi si Jenny. Sobrang tagal na nito nag-stop. Nang napi. Here you go. Mana sa kay Wayne. Ayaw ng mga tags. Didiri. Ang buhok. Oh, we see your hair?
It already made.
It's already made. Gugot kayo lang.
You just take it off.
Yeah, because it's loose. You said you don't like it shaking. So, magkuha pala ako ng, nakalinis na ako ng bahay. Nakaligo na kami. Okay na.
It's a bit time.
Yes, it is. Kunin ko lang yung aking bagong jacket na binili. Ihalay ko doon. Same ito. Same sila ng brand new look. Ito kasi yung paborito ko. Tapos itim din. Pero medyo malaki na to siya. Medium. Kasi soon, lalaki na din yung aking chan. Soon, lalaki na. Kaya medium yung aking binili. Oh, kita nyo yung the colors change. Ito, grabe. Halatang halata na nagamit talaga siya ng, maraming ulan. Tapos ito, pag brand new. Ganyan yung kulay niya. Yes, nak. Teka, ang aming garden na sobrang kalat. Ihalay ko lang to. Nag-iisa, nilabhan ko. Hala. Okay. Medium na yan. Kuin, anak. Kukuan ako ng L plate. Kaya ako yung mag-drive. Where's the L plate, honey? Drive muna ako kay sobrang tagal ko nag-absent sa aking driving, no? Iwan ko kung saan yung isa. Where's the other L plate? Get inside. Did you lock the house? Honey. Quick, 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 quick. I think he is working. People likes to take photographs, honey. Everywhere. Nandito na kami. Ang kuan dito, busy na road. Meron pa ba? Honey, am I okay? Safe? No.
Yeah.
There's more car.
Huh?
Agay, there's cars. 51,000. Grabe, why it's 51,000? I don't understand. They're all the same cars. Oh, there's things inside.
Oh, look at the seats.
Nice. It's just the same car, honey.
It's a car, isn't it?
Car is a car. When you're in the road, you don't even have...
But if I had lots of money on this house, I don't think I'd pay 50,000 for a car.
No,
When I know I
won't.
can get a lovely one for 10.
Yeah. You're not even VIP in the road. Even if you have Mercedes or sports car. You still have to wait in the traffic light. Oh, boy, it's so cold lang. So cold today. Lakad-lakad si Wayne nagsama sa amin. Nice. Are they? Why Jenny looks so sad today? She's always the...
Is she ignored her?
Saan naman na? Huh? What? You want to hug JJ? But JJ's not hugging you. Why? Why is that, Jessica? Bike. It's like your bike, like a gray one. Nandyan yung sasakyan namin nakapark o sa giliran. Sit down, anak. Where's JJ? Na, hinalika ng kanyang tatay. Palagi yan sila maglalambingan pag every time na galing yan siya sa school.
Why?
Sobrang lucky nila sa kanilang daddy dahil yung daddy nila ganyan ka-sweet sa kanila. Lang, no?
I won't buy this.
No? That's good. Wait, mommy will transfer here. Dito ako dumaan. Agay! Ha? I know, but I'm here. Bro, I'm so scared, bro. Wala na, takdan ako ani sa pagsasalita ni Kai. You know what, bro? I'm so scared, bro. Bro, oh. Mayroong mga bata na tumawid. What happened? Let her touch? Jessica, don't be spiteful like that. Hindi siya naawa sa kanyang kapatid. Sabi niyo si Jenny maldita. Hindi yan siya maldita, oy. Palagi lang itong nagpailog din sometimes. Ito siya sometimes. Meron din tong karakter. Normal yan sa bata. Ha? Sorry?
And Daddy hold me.
Oh, you want daddy hold your hand. Okay. I'm so scared, bro. You know what, bro? I'm scared, bro. Honey, how you pronounce it? B-R-U-H.
I don't want to start using it. Otherwise I'll be doing brawler to everybody and I don't want to do it.
Because of the big brother I'm watching, she always say, bro. You know what, bro? She used to say, bro. Oh, malapit masagasaan kay bakit yung paano ko, yung patawid is
What is it? What model is it? Toyota what? Toyota CHR. CHR.
Tanyo, pinatingin ako ng tao sa kanyang sasakyan. Ang ganda. Gustong gusto ni Wayne. Ang ganda ng loob. It's very nice. Christmas cactus. Do you know other people eat cactus? Hello, JJ. Oh, let her touch na. Hindi siya mabait sa kanyang sister today. Kawawa naman itong inday namin. Just let her have a touch. Jessica. Her Santa is here. They transferred it in the bottom. Bored na ako sa pagkain dito. Ulit-ulit lang yung kanilang pagkain. Ang sakit.
She's gonna bite it.
Yes, but now they're playing now. Eve, we're buying nappies again. You'll be going home with bringing nappies again. You used to bring them this, right?
No.
This.
Aldi's.
Ah,
No, not that leg.
ang sakit ng puson ko. Nahirapan ako maglakad. Iwan ko bakit to siya ganito, boy. It's my first time experiencing this. Get your cousin na.
Did you see when you...
Hello. Go to Jenny. Look at Jenny, honey. Ay! Look ko, honey. Aray ko. Oh. Okay, giyard ko sa iro. Why? Jenny. Look at Jenny and JJ running. Ala.
Hello.
He's so friendly.
You want your tummy scratched, don't you? You want your tummy scratched.
Go to Jenny. Go to Jenny. Look at them running. Oi, where are you going? Come here. He's not gonna bite. He just want to play. Inambokan ako. Ang sakit ng aking po. Jacket Jenny. Honey, careful, Jenny. You scared of dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, good.
I'm not scared of dogs.
Open the door. Mag-pack muna kami ng aming pinambili. Morrisons don't have money. So, nandito kami. Si Wayne, oh, ayun, nag-withdraw ng pera. Kanina, may mga batang there, the dogs are there. May mga batang nag-cross na red light. Yung sa kanila, dapat mag-green kasi yung sa kanila bago sila mag-cross. Tapos yung sa akin, green light. Maunti ko silang makuan. Masagasaan. Kaya sabi ko, bro, nandito na si Wayne. Alis na kami. Only one, hindi sila nag-away today. Very good, very good. Sometimes, ayaw ni Jessica, ipadaan si Jenny dyan sa kanyang side. Yan yung kanilang pinag-aawayan. Ngayon, ako naman, ang matabang babae. The fat lady is getting out of the car. Ay, nako. Si Wayne, no, nasa stress kanyang trabaho dahil sa kanyang pagkabos. Madaming nawawalang mga machine doon sa kanilang trabahoan, kaya na-stress siya. Iwan ko ba, okay lang ba aking? Hala, honey, it's too much. I think you have to put it a bit like that. A bit like that. Honey, the tail of the car too much.
Is it?
It's way too much.
Oh, just a little bit. I'll never roll it, do you?
Yes.
Roll it now.
See? Is this heavy? Heavy? Ah, it's heavy.
Get it.
Magic box.
Magic box? What you got? Oh, you got it already? Did you put it?
Yeah.
Wow, many money, boy.
Wait, can I count it? Okay. So, 20, 30, 50,
Look, she knows how to
60,
count. Honey,
80,
100,
100,
100,
huh?
100,
120,
120.
Supposed to count it when it's full.
125.
She's always counting it.
Good girl.
Did you put it?
Yeah, good. Yeah, she put it.
Inatik ng kanyang tatay. Galing lang sa box.
Can I count it because you put it in?
It's done.
But when we count,
Mag-continue lang ako mag-arrange dito. Nagluluto pala ako na. Ayan, nagpakulo ako ng munggos. Buti na lang nakahanap ako ng munggos sa Morrisons. So, meron akong munggo dyan. At, iwan ko, okay ba ito? I-mix sa munggos. Ito. Ilagay ko lang ito sa tray. Ah, pwede ito mo. Ayan, kalabasa. Pwede ba? Basta, magmunggo ako today. Kasi yan yung aking kakainin for today. Tonight pala. Sarap sinabawan. So, masakit pa din yung aking puson. Sobrang sakit. So, sinabihan ako ni Wayne na mag-ingat-ingat daw ako. Eh, baka daw us-us. Yung, ano, us-us. Eh, baba daw ang baby. Bababa. Ito na lang. Last na lang ito dito. Hindi ko na pinakita lahat. Kay sumo man. Ay, magpakita. Guys, bumili ako orange. Bumili ako ganito. Magsige na lang grocery haul. Parihas lang naman. Wala na. Yan na. Diretso-diretso na. So, ayun na ang ating ganap today. Charot, hindi pa natapos. Ang mga bata, kumain na sila ng pasty. Ilagay ko lang pala ito sa ref. Ito yung aking crave. Nag-crave ako ng orange juice. Orange juice para hindi masyadong, kasi ang aking iniinom, Tango, yung para siyang soft drinks na apple sugar free. Ganon. Hindi baka siguro yun yung dahilan ng pagsakit ng aking puson. Yung soda. Diba? Hindi mabuti yung soda sa kalusugan. Ang Pepsi ba? Pepsi! Okay na. So ito, dalhin ko lang ito doon sa ay, patay. Living room para ma-arrange ko doon sa mga fruit. Hindi kami namili ng maraming apple dahil lang kumakain. Last time nalanta lang yung mga fruits. Oy! Oy! Are you done eating? Ayan, ito. Meron siyang dahon-dahon, no? Lagyan natin yun dyan. Ito na yung aking munggo with kalabasa. Ang sarap. Naligo ako, no? Ulit. So, nag-check ako ng aking app. Ito, dala-dala ko yung aking cellphone. Chinek ko dahil may online app ako dito. Tapos, chinek ko kung meron na bang date ng aking due date. Sa pagpapanganak ko ba? Due date. Meron ng due date. Hoy! Nag-unsa mo diha? May due date na kung kailan ako manganak. So, ayun, excited lang ako at saka sobrang excited ako sa date. As in, yun lang naman yung chika ko, no? Pero basta, sobrang excited ko dahil, hey, medyo malayo-layo pa naman. At lumalaki na yung aking tiyan. Hinihingal na talaga ako. So, mag-prepare muna ako, magbihis muna ako at yun lang yung chika ko. Meron ng due date yung aking baby sa aking app. Nakalagay siya doon sa aking app dahil nga yun, doon lahat yung schedule. Tapos ngayon ko palang nakita na, ito pala yung due date. So, sinabihan ko si Wayne na may due date na. And si Wayne yan is, I don't know kung nandito yan siya that time. So, ayun na po. Excited ako at in a few weeks, hindi ako sure, pero baka in a few weeks, malalaman na natin yung gender ng ating baba, ang ating bata dito sa tiyan. Medyo nasusuka pa rin ako kahit kanina. Nung busog na busog ako, sobrang na-struggle ako ba. Pag hindi ako makaburp, doon na nga yung aking struggle na parang nasusuka gitu talaga ako. Kung hindi ko pinipigilan, nasusuka ako. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope okay kayong lahat at abangan natin soon. Hopefully, healthy lang ang lahat. At si baby sa due date, yun ang lahat-lahat. Pag lumabas na siya, I hope healthy lang talaga yung baby dahil yan yung ating happiness. Yes, and mag-ingat kayo. God bless. Maraming salamat sa nandyan pa rin always. Always nakasupport at nakakomment. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.